7 best vitamins for stronger legs after 60. What if I told you that the weakness in your legs, those nagging aches, and even those agonizing nighttime cramps aren't something you just have to accept after 60? This isn't science fiction. For millions, weakening legs feel like a life sentence. But what if the real problem isn't your age, but a hidden deficiency? As a surgeon who spent over 2 decades studying how the human body ages, I've seen firsthand how people lose their independence. But here's what nobody tells you. The solution might not be in a grueling gym routine, but hiding in plain sight in your kitchen. Today, I'm about to share the 7 crucial vitamins that can help you rebuild strength, banish cramps, and get you walking with the confidence you had 20 years ago. These aren't just random suggestions. They are scientifically proven nutritional keys that can awaken dormant systems in your body. But before we begin, a word of caution. What I'm about to share is powerful information, but everyone's body is different. It is absolutely essential to speak with your doctor before starting any new supplement regimen to ensure it's right for your personal health needs. Now, without any further ado, let's dive in. First, let's understand what's really happening inside your body. After age 60, your body can begin to lose muscle mass if you're not active, a process scientists call sarcopenia. This is why simple movements like getting out of a chair can suddenly feel difficult. But it gets more complicated. At the same time, your body's ability to absorb key nutrients from food starts to decline. This creates a perfect storm for leg weakness, instability, and those dreadful cramps. But science has shown us that targeted nutrition can reverse this process. These 7 vitamins form the foundation of that reversal. 1. Vitamin D. The sunshine vitamin for muscle power. Our first vitamin is one you've definitely heard of, but its role in muscle power is almost always underestimated. We're talking about vitamin D. Now, you know it helps you absorb calcium for strong bones, but here's what's really happening at the muscular level. Vitamin D is crucial for the function of your fast-twitch muscle fibers, the ones responsible for explosive power and preventing a fall when you trip. Research from Trinity College Dublin delivered a shocking finding. Muscle weakness was twice as high in older adults who were deficient in vitamin D. Without enough of it, your reaction time slows, your muscles weaken, and your risk of a devastating fall skyrockets. While our bodies are designed to make vitamin D from the sun, our skin becomes far less efficient at this process as we age. You can find it in fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified milk. But for most people over 60, supplementation is essential. Most studies suggest a daily intake between 800 to 2,000 IU can help support your muscle systems and restore stability, but your doctor can determine the precise dose you need. 2. Magnesium, the ultimate cramp reliever. If you are one of the millions who are woken up at night by agonizing leg cramps, this next mineral might be your new best friend. It's magnesium, the body's quiet conductor. Magnesium is involved in over 300 critical processes, but its most famous role is in muscle function. It's what allows your muscles to relax after they contract. Here's the part that makes this mineral so special for nighttime cramps. When your magnesium levels are low, your muscles can't fully release. They get stuck in a state of partial contraction, leading to spasms, stiffness, and that buzzing sensation. In fact, your magnesium levels naturally dip at night, which is why so many people experience these cramps after dark. Many people report that their cramps and restlessness ease within weeks of adding magnesium. It works hand in hand with calcium to keep your muscle signals firing smoothly. You can find it in leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and even dark chocolate. However, since absorption can be an issue, a supplement like magnesium bisglycinate is often recommended because it's well absorbed and gentle on the stomach. 3. Vitamin B12, the nerve and energy communicator. Have you ever felt a strange numbness, weakness, or a sense of unsteadiness in your legs that you can't explain? When B12 levels are low, that communication line starts to break down. This can lead to muscle weakness, poor balance, and that pins and needles feeling. Here's what nobody tells you. B12 deficiency is incredibly common in older adults because our stomachs produce less of the acid needed to absorb it from food. A study from Oxford University found that seniors with low B12 levels walked slower and were more than twice as likely to fall. Vitamin B12 is found almost exclusively in animal products like meat, fish, and eggs. Because of the absorption issue, many people over 60 benefit from a supplement to ensure their muscles get the clear signals they need to stay strong. 4. Potassium, the muscle balancer. Next up is an electrolyte that works tirelessly behind the scenes, potassium. Potassium is essential for regulating nerve signals and, most importantly, muscle contractions. It is the master regulator of your muscle's internal electrical system. When you don't have enough potassium, those electrical signals can get scrambled. This causes your muscles to misfire, leading to sudden, painful cramps. Here's a shocking fact. An overwhelming majority of Americans don't get the recommended daily amount of potassium. The good news is that potassium is abundant in many foods. Bananas are famous for it, but sweet potatoes, spinach, avocados, and beans are even more potent sources. Ensuring you have a steady supply of potassium helps your muscles stay coordinated and cramp-free. 5. Vitamin E, the circulation booster. Do your legs ever feel cold, heavy, or tired even when you haven't done much? This could be a sign of poor circulation, and our next vitamin is a champion at addressing it, vitamin E. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps improve blood flow. When circulation is poor, your leg muscles don't get the oxygen and nutrients they need to function. This leads to fatigue, cramps, and that heavy leaden feeling. By helping to keep blood vessels healthy and flexible, vitamin E ensures your legs get a steady supply of oxygen-rich blood, keeping them energized. Many people who increase their vitamin E intake report feeling more stable and experiencing less leg discomfort. Excellent food sources include almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach, and avocados. But a word of caution, at very high doses, vitamin E can affect blood clotting, so it's important not to overdo it with supplements and to discuss it with your doctor. 6. Calcium, the bone and muscle framework. You can't have strong legs without a strong frame, and that's where calcium comes in. We all know it's critical for bones, but here's the part that often gets missed. Calcium is also a key player in muscle contraction, working in a delicate dance with magnesium. As we age, our ability to absorb calcium from our diet drops significantly. If you don't get enough, your body will literally steal it from your bones to keep your muscles firing, which leads to weakness and a high risk of fractures. However, a serious word of caution is needed here. Research has shown that taking large single doses of calcium supplements may not be absorbed well and could even carry cardiovascular risks for some people. It's best to get calcium from food like yogurt, sardines, and leafy greens, and if you do supplement, always pair it with vitamin D to dramatically improve absorption. This is a nutrient you must get right, so a conversation with your doctor is non-negotiable. 7. Vitamin C, the tissue repair and strength builder. Last but certainly not least is vitamin C. While famous for immunity, vitamin C is a structural powerhouse for your legs. Its most important role here is in producing collagen, the protein that acts as the rebar for your veins, tendons, and muscles, giving them strength and structure. Strong blood vessels are essential for circulation, and strong connective tissues are vital for supporting your muscles. Vitamin C is also an antioxidant that protects your muscle cells from damage and helps reduce the inflammation that contributes to leg pain. It helps keep the entire architecture of your legs resilient. Thankfully, deficiency is rare, and it's one of the easiest vitamins to get through diet. You can find it in citrus fruits, strawberries, bell peppers, broccoli, and kiwis. Now that we've covered these 7 vitamins, you can see it's not about focusing on just one. They work as a team. Small, consistent changes are what trigger remarkable results. If you have been enjoying the video so far, hit that like button so more seniors can see it, and subscribe. We've got more powerful senior health tips videos coming every day, and you don't want to miss the next one. Feeling your legs grow weaker is not just a part of aging you have to accept. It's a signal from your body that it needs the right fuel. By focusing on these 7 key vitamins through both a healthy diet and smart, doctor-supervised supplementation, you can take back control. You can banish those painful cramps and reclaim the independence you deserve. It is never too late to start rebuilding. Your journey to stronger, steadier legs begins with your very next meal. What age did you first notice your body changing? Which of these vitamins are you most curious about? Share with us your experiences and opinions in the comments below. We love to hear them. Thank you for watching.